The 250k per year secret sauce. The path to excellence. Hey team, welcome to one of the most important lessons in our training series. The 250k a year secret sauce. This checklist isn't just a guideline. It's the foundation for how you'll succeed in this company. We've made it very clear from the start, we want to pay our technicians the most. And 250k a year is very attainable if you follow the process. The key is, you need to commit to the process. Excellence is expected, not optional. The 250k a year secret sauce checklist is not something to follow when it's convenient. It's a requirement. Every step on this list must be completed, no exceptions. We're not going to chase anyone around or remind you daily to stick to the process. If you're on this team, it's because you're someone who understands the importance of consistency and attention to detail. Our goal isn't to micromanage or nag. We expect every technician to follow this checklist because it's proven. It's designed to serve the customer, build our reputation, and ensure that you succeed. The path to 250k? Submit to the process. Let's be real. 250k a year is absolutely possible within regular hours with this system, but only if you submit to the process. This isn't about trying to sell hard. It's about serving the customer, following the steps, and letting the results speak for themselves. When you trust the process and stop thinking about sales, you'll find that everything else falls into place. The technicians who follow this checklist consistently are the ones who hit that 250k mark, easily. We focus on growth, not micromanaging. Here, we're focused on growing the business, improving our reputation, and continuing to deliver 5-star service. Our energy goes into bringing in more business and providing the best service in the city, not constantly reminding technicians to do what's already expected. If we have to keep repeating ourselves about the same issues over and over again, you're simply not the right fit for this team. We need people who can follow the process without being chased around. The checklist is here to guide you, but the responsibility is yours. Digital checklist for reference and useful links. To make it even easier, we've created a digital form with the 250k per year secret sauce checklist. If you ever need a refresher, you can access this form at any time. It includes each step of the process, so there's no excuse for missing anything. At the bottom of the form, you'll also find some useful links that will help you with quick access to Slack announcements, a link to our recruiting application for those of you who know someone that would be a great fit for the team. And don't forget about our recruiting bonus. Use this tool whenever you need to, but remember, it's your responsibility to stay on top of the checklist every day. The checklist, your secret to success. 1. Start your day. Inspect your truck, check your uniform, review your job notes. Make sure you're ready to serve the customer before you even leave the office. 2. Pre-service. Review the job details, call the customer, and prepare for success. 3. Arrival. Make a strong first impression. Carry your tools, wear a clean uniform, and approach the customer with professionalism. 4. During the job. Provide options, educate the customer, and use our proven systems. 5. Finishing up. Always clean up. Show the customer the work, conduct the home inspection, and collect payment professionally. 6. End of day. Complete your paperwork and prep for tomorrow. This checklist isn't just for show, it's the secret to your success. Follow it and you'll see the results. This checklist is non-negotiable. It's how we deliver the best service in the city, keep our customers happy, and ensure you're making the most money possible. If you're ready to commit to the process, there's no limit to what you can achieve here. But if you're not willing to follow the checklist, this might not be the best place for you. Let's focus on growing the business, delivering top-tier service, and building the best reputation in the city. Stick to the process, and we'll all come out on top. Thanks for watching. Let's get to work.